Today we're going back to 2016, the era of glitter, bold brows and contour. So let's recreate the iconic 2016 makeup vibe. I'm excited, let's get started. So let's start with the primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Mattifying Primer. Primer was a must in 2016. Everyone loved the airbrush matte but glowy base. I'll link everything in the description box. I'll also tag the products, so do check out the description box. Next is full coverage foundation or BB cream, but it has to be full coverage because 2016 was all about flawless skin. And I remember Maybelline Fit Me was a rage back then. I'm just gonna mix two foundation shades because I don't have the right one. I'm just gonna dot it all over my face and then just blend it with a brush. I remember floral patterns were a rage back then. I still have a 2016 jacket. Most of the clothes I own in 2016 I donated, but then I still have the floral jacket. Should I apply more? Guys, also I'm thinking of starting live. I really enjoyed the live sessions and interacting with you guys. I don't know why I stopped it. I'm thinking of starting it again. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do live Q&A sessions or live makeup tutorials. Now for the concealer, I'm going to mix the Forever 52 and the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer because I remember in 2016 NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer was a thing back then. I mean, I did not have a YouTube channel back then, but then I remember all the influencers, like the beauty influencers, using NARS Creamy Concealer. So I'm gonna mix both of them. Blend, blend, blend for that high coverage. Guys, let me know if you guys liked my last video, which was a haul video, which was 28 minutes long. I don't know if I should keep creating such lengthy videos because I mean, who has the time to watch such lengthy videos? No, just let me know. I'm really confused. Also, guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit of NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and put it in a triangle shape. Also, who remembers highlighting like this? Literally now, I feel like how much makeup we used to use back in 2016. Blend, blend, blend. My under eye area looks really highlighted right now. Oh wow. And it does look super weird to me right now because I'm not used to so much of coverage on my face. Next, we're gonna bake and I'm using the Nykaa Matte+Poreless Pore Blurring Loose Powder and I'm just gonna bake the under eye area. Also the forehead, Cupid's bow and chin. And then let it set for 30 seconds and then we're going to remove the powder. In 2016, contour was heavy, so I'm going to use a stick contour today as well as a powder contour. This is the Zudio foundation stick. And for the powder contour, I'm going to use the PAC Spotlight Bronzer. I'm really going to put like crazy loads of product. I'm not going to contour my forehead because I have a small forehead. I never used to contour it in 2016. I don't think I ever contoured in 2016. I'm just gonna blend it now. I actually like the consistency of the bronzer, but then after all, it's Zudio and I don't think it's available online. I don't think I can give you the link for this product, but I'm definitely gonna tag the powder one, the PAC. My God, guys, so much of contour. I am not stopping today. I think we've packed enough contour for today. Now let's remove the powder. Actually, I'm loving my base right now. And it's time for thick, bold, structured brow now. So I'm going to use the Lakme 3D Brow Definer. And I am going to really create like a box. Just create like a structured brow. I was never a fan of that, by the way. Really heavy brows. What's happening with my brows? I am so not comfortable with my brows right now, but let's just have fun, okay? Right now, I am going to use the blush and I am going to lightly pack it on the apples of my cheeks. In 2016, we never used to put the blush here, but on the apples of our cheeks. I'm actually in love with this blush, guys. This is so good. I love the color. I love how buttery it is. I love the feel and the texture of the blush. Back in 2016, highlighters were a big thing. Right now, we do have the blush blindness, but in 2016, it was the highlighter blindness. Like it was all blingy. In 2016, everyone was obsessed with the Instagram glow. I'm just gonna go and highlight my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Also my brow bone area. I think that's a lot of highlighter for now. For eyes, it was all about glitter eyes, cut creases, warm browns, and rose golds. I am going to attempt a cut crease today. I am going to mix two browns. I'm going to take this eyeshadow and then mix it with this one. So I'm just gonna apply it in the crease of my eyes and then just build the color. And now taking a concealer, I'm just gonna do a cut crease. I'm just going to take a brush and then apply it all over my lids. Also, another fact, I never liked creating a cut crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade. It's like a pinkish shade and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. I don't know if it's showing, but this glitter looks actually gorgeous, so I'm going to go in with this. I'm just going to put it in the center. I'm just gonna put the burgundy shade on the outer corners of my eyes, right at the outer corners, and extend it a little bit on the crease. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Just put the same eyeshadow on the lower lash line and connect the eyeshadow. Next thing is a task for me. It's creating a black liner look. I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow and I'm gonna create an eyeliner with this. And now I'm just gonna fill it up. Now taking a black Kajal, I'm going to line my waterline. Trust the process. Also, this palette is shit. Also, lashes were big back then, so I'm going to apply some lashes. A little bit of mascara while the glue is dry. I'll also make the inner corners of my eyes a little pointed. And then again, I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and just put it right on the bottom lash line. Actually quite happy with this look. My god, this is so 2016. I also have my lashes on. A little bit of highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Now using the Inside Glide On lip liner, I'm going to line my lips, actually overline my lips. We did overline our lips a lot in 2016. So back then we used to use liquid lipsticks. They were in, so I'm going to use the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Nude Twist. And of course we used a lot of nude. We loved nude back then. We still love nude. But then it was kind of like a Kylie Jenner nude thingy happening. Now I'm going to make it more nude using my concealer. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope you love this tutorial. This is what we used to do in 2016. This was so much fun. I almost forgot what it feels like to put on so much of makeup on your face. I love the end result. And I think I have fallen in love with the cold line eyes and, you know, the falsies, the glitter on my eyes. It looks absolutely stunning. And the nude lips, of course, with lots of bronzer, lots of contour, and lots of highlighter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.